morning everyone and welcome to day 2 of Comic Con. It is a bit of a late start today, it's 11:30. I think that I overdid it yesterday a bit too much and I made myself sort of run down and feel absolutely knackered with all the walking backwards and forwards, back to the car, going back to the event. I think I just overdid it for myself. So today is going to be a little bit slower. We're going to just take our time. I'm going to get there a bit later, so it's going to be 12:26. I didn't stay for the full event yesterday. I'll probably stay for a couple hours today, see how I feel, because obviously I'm going to go there on Sunday as well. It is currently raining also, so I'm going there on Sunday, so I sort of want to save myself for the full day Sunday to experience it a bit better. So today's not going to be so much recording, it's going to be more photography, so it's a little bit easier on me. I kind of like photography more than the whole videography stuff, because it's like you got to plan your shots and stuff, where photography is a little bit easier. It's going to take about an hour today because there's been a crash or something. I think the weather don't help, but yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to sort of save myself. It was a bit of a rush yesterday because I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how busy it was going to be, and then at 12 o'clock that's when it got like really busy. Everyone turned up, so I think that's why I feel a bit run down today, is because I really just sort of overdid it. I didn't take my time, and I think today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to relax, slow drive, especially with this weather. I won't be doing 70 down the motorway, I can tell you now, because I hate driving in the rain. But anywho, I'll see you when we get to the event. Okay, so we've just made it into the car park and it is way more busier on a Saturday. Feeling a little bit better now. I took a slow drive, stopped off, got a Lucozade. I have actually brought my camera clip to go on my bag, so I can just strap the camera on there, it's a bit easier. So let's go in and see what today brings. Pleasure.
Aiden, Ollie and Reese, and Zelda, Tingle and Link. Next up, we've got another original character for you. Go crazy. It's Crazy Diamond Cosplay as Plague Doctor. If you're a fan of Overwatch, go absolutely bananas for Leah Glue as Mercy.
What's out there? Those things blend together. Okay, so the first one we're going to start with is called a low wheel.
Sorry. That's brilliant, thank you. Can I get the adventure time, please? As you can see, I'm a bit of a fan.
I will say, it is Adventure Time on the front.
Yeah.
With lots of other drawings inside.
Yeah, that's fine. That's
Adventure Time.
gives me everything then.
Yeah.
It's a bit of everything.
Right, 10 then, please.
Yeah.
It's signed already, so I can sign those.
Is it right if I get a photo of you holding it? If that's, yeah? Brilliant.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Cheers,
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you. Sorry, can I get a photo of you two? Is that okay? Sorry. It's amazing, thank you. We're back in the car, we are heading home. It is 4:28. I actually stayed here quite a while today. To be fair, I got here about 12, half 12. Did a good 3+ hours and I'm just about exhausted. So tomorrow is going to be just a day to have a look at the stalls. I did buy something which I'm very excited about. The Rick and Morty series. He done the illustrations and he done Adventure Time. And there's a few others in the book that I've got and signed by him. So I got a photo of him holding it because I thought, you know what, that is some memorabilia right there. Like, I've got an Adventure Time tattoo, so it fits so well. So it was definitely a better experience just going there, taking photos and not so much recording. Saturday is definitely the day to go if you're going to go to one of these events. It's so busy, it's just all over the place. So it's a lot more cosplay, a lot more stuff going on. And it's just an overall better experience. So I feel like the first day, I didn't really give it its dues. It felt very slow, sluggish, and I didn't know really what to record, where today was very impactful. There was a lot going on. So I felt a bit more, immersed in it. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be a day of just chilling and just taking it slow. I might still take my camera for some photos because there'll be different cosplays, but I'm not going to be recording. Sunday is just a chill day, so I appreciate everyone that has watched both days. There is day 1 and day 2. Day 3, I am sorry, I don't have the energy. I don't have the energy for it. It is very, very tiring to capture content. I'll still post photos, I guess. Or if I do get any sort of B-roll, I will post a highlight reel for day 3. But other than that, I won't be vlogging because I'm exhausted. But anyway, I'm going to head home and get a nice long bath. So again, a massive thank you to MCM Comic Con for sending me out the press pass, or sending me out the creator pass. I do appreciate it massively. And hopefully next year when it goes on again, we can get another one and do some more content. But other than that, capture, create, captivate. I appreciate every single one of you for watching these videos, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, much love. Again, I'm going to say it, capture, create, captivate. I'll see you all next time.